Hi, this is Marianne from AdXperte. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and install Facebook Pixel on your system.io landing page or sales page or website. If you have used this platform before, you will agree with me that it's a little bit techy, but you don't have to be scared. I'm going to show you everything step by step in this video, from Pixel installation to Conversion API integration to button tracking or URL tracking. I'll show you how to do everything with system.io. The first step is to log into your ad account at www.facebook.com/ads Go to the events manager. It will take you to this interface I am on right now. So when you get there, just click connect data and then click web. Click next. Then click create new data set. Name your pixel. I'm going to be naming my system.io. Good, I'm going to create. I'll go to dataset to be able to find this pixel. Click this drop down and then select the pixel. The next step is to copy the pixel ID and then log into the system.io landing page. So I've already logged in and I'm at the dashboard right now. I'm just going to go straight to this profile and click the settings. Then I will go to this left hand side, scroll down and click custom domains. When you do, it will take you to your subdomains. Just click this three button right here and click settings. Scroll down to pixel ID, paste the pixel ID you copied. Now the next is access token. This access token is your conversion API. Once you copy the code in your events manager and paste it here and then save, you are done integrating your conversion API. So let me show you. Go back to the events manager, click settings and scroll down to where you see conversion API. Good. Scroll down, you're going to see generate access token. Click it. It will show you the three options. Okay, click the drop down and deselect the ones you don't need. So we are only generating this access token for the system.io pixel, right? So that's it. Click generate access token and then copy it. Then go back to the system.io and paste it here. Once you are done, click save. You are done integrating your conversion API. Now the next step is to install the Facebook pixel code. Okay, follow me. Just go to funnel or sites. This is the funnel. Then I'll select the exact funnel I want to work with. In this case, is this one. So go to the opt-in page or the sales page or the landing page, anyone you call it, okay? Just go to the opt-in page, click this edit page. It will take you to the interface where you normally edit your system.io from. Just click settings and then scroll down to tracking. Okay, have you seen tracking? Now we are going to be pasting our pixel code either on the header or the footer of this landing page, right? Just go back to the events manager and copy the pixel code. Go to overview. Scroll down, you're going to see setup meta pixel. Click it. Install code manually. Copy the pixel code. Then go back to the landing page. Click edit header to paste the code. Okay, a pixel code has already been pasted here. Let's get to the edit footer. Paste the code. Good. Click save. So the next thing we are going to be doing here is to select the custom conversion we are going to be working with here. That's the Facebook events, okay? In this case, we are going to be using view content because this is the landing page. This is the opt-in page or the sales page, the first part of the landing page where people land. Do you get? So just click view content. At the thank you page, we are going to be selecting lead custom conversion or lead conversion events. Are you with me? So once you are done selecting this Facebook event, just click save and then go back to the funnel list. Click this thank you page and then click edit again. come to the settings, scroll down to tracking again. Scroll down to tracking, click edit footer or edit header, anyone. So let's just use footer. There is nothing here. We're just going to paste the pixel code again. Okay, we are doing this one now for the thank you page so we can track the lead. Once you're done pasting, just click save and then go back to this Facebook event and select lead. Are you with me right now? I hope it's making sense. I hope it's very clear. Click lead. If you were using a sales page, what you select here is purchase. So we are going to save everything. And guess what? We are done. We are done installing the Facebook pixel on system.io and we are done integrating our conversion API. Now the next step is to go to the Meta Pixel helper and ensure that this pixel we just installed is actually correctly installed. To do that, just open another browser and type Meta Pixel helper. This Metapixel helper is a Chrome extension. Click add to Chrome, add extension, that enables you track the pixel in your landing page, okay, to make sure that it is active. Now we have installed it. I'm just going to go copy the opt-in page. Let's just use the opt-in page. I'm just going to copy the URL and then open it in a new browser after adding the Chrome extension to my Chrome. So I'm just going to paste the landing page URL and search it. So this is the Chrome extension here. I'm just going to click it and click Meta Pixel Helper. So you can see what ends our pixel ID. Let's go back to Events Manager and check what ends our pixel ID. You can see it's 65, right? It's 65. Have you seen it here? Meta Pixel 65 was tracked, is active. Good. Now the last thing I want to show you is how to track events on your system.io landing page. Okay, how to track button or URL. This is an alternative to creating custom conversions, right? So to do this, you're just going to go back to your event manager and select the exact pixel and click settings. Just go to the settings, scroll down to open event setup tool, click it and then paste your website URL. In this case, we are going to be using the thank you page URL because I want to create lead custom conversion or lead conversion events. So I'm just going to go back to the sales funnel and copy the thank you page URL. Now go back to the events manager and paste it here. I hope you're with me. I hope it's very simple. Once you are done, click add events. Now it will take you to the thank you page where you can track the button or use the URL option. Now see the options I have here: track new button, track a URL. So I'm just going to track button. Have you seen click on a highlighted button to set up your event? I'm just going to click this button. Alright, which event do I want to track? Is lead. If it's purchase, you select purchase. If it's add to cart, anyone, just select it. Are you with me? So in this case, we want lead. If you like, you select value. If you don't want, just leave it. Okay, don't include value, just click it and then click confirm. We are done. Okay, event setup tool is not compatible with this page. Click learn more for alternative event setup options. I think something is wrong with this landing page. Alright, let's try URL since it's not letting us do button. But if not for this error message now, we are done creating lead custom conversion with button tracking option. Do you get? So we are going to just go back and use the URL option. So I'm going to track URL, select an event, lead, and then do not include a value. So I'm just going to paste the thank you page link. So it has automatically selected the thank you page link. Just click confirm. And that's all. You have successfully created a custom conversion, lead custom conversion specifically. And then once you start running ads, it will start tracking. You don't need to create lead custom conversion again. Once you are done tracking button or tracking URL, it will start tracking. Now when you are setting up your ads and you get to the conversion event stage, you're going to see an active lead custom conversion. You just select it and continue your ads. Do you prefer this method or you prefer creating custom conversion? So, like I said, this is an alternative to creating lead custom conversion. You can just track button or track URL, and it's not specific to system.io. You can use this option for even WordPress websites. Now we are just going to click finish setup, and that's all. Click finish. That's all. So I hope you have clearly seen how to create your Facebook pixel and install on your system.io landing page, how to integrate conversion API, how to create your conversion event on your system.io. I hope you can now do it and run your ads successfully. If you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos on Facebook and Instagram adverts.